installing your HydroPet to a hose bib. Your kit will include hose bib adapter connected to your 1/4 inch drip line, and you can set it up manually if you'd like. But what I do recommend is an automatic water timer. This way your pet will be watered the time that you want them to be watered, and you don't have to worry about it. So what I recommend is take your anti-kink hose, connect it to the hose bib, secure your timer. Okay. And also a brass Y or a plastic Y. You can find either of these on our website. This way you can use your hose and still have your HydroPet on an automated watering system. Connect your HydroPet to the Y. And you are set. I also recommend cutting the HydroPet drip line to appropriate size.